Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can split a camel case into multiple words, and then capitalize it. So let's say we have this string, this is camel case. You can split it using regular expression. To use regular expression in JavaScript, you can call a replace function. All regular expression will go inside forward slashes. Forward slashes are the boundary of a regular expression. The regular expression should not be in single or double quotes. Then we will create braces to create a group. In first group, we will use brackets to define range. This group's range will be all small letters. Similarly, we will create second group, and define range in it. And here it will be range of all capital letters. This will search for all words that ends with small letter and begin with capital alphabet. And we will search these characters for all instances, so we will use G that stands for global search. $1 will replace the match of the regular expression with the first group, which is small alphabets, and $2 will replace the match of the regular expression with the second group, that is capital alphabets, and there is a space between $1 and $2. So you can see that the words has been separated. Now we just need to capitalize it. Although, you can capitalize it using a CSS property, text transform capitalize. But let's see how you can do it in JavaScript. First we will save it in a variable. Then we will get the first character of this string and convert it to uppercase. Now to get the rest of the string, we will call slice function and pass value 1. Passing 1 will skip the first character and return the rest of the string. So now we just need to append both of these expressions. That's it. We can save this as a variable. And use this variable wherever you want. If you face any problem in following this, kindly do let me know.